This is so much fun! Oops!
What happened here?
My toy is broken.
Happy birthday, Emma!
Thank you. I love my gift.
Open the big box.
Wow! A beautiful dollhouse. Can I play too? Yes, but be careful. I will be very careful. Thank you, Tom.
Dinner is ready.
Come to the kitchen.
I'll be back soon.
Okay, I'll wait.
Maybe 1 minute. I'll play gently. This is so much fun! Oops! Oh no! The dollhouse is broken. What should I do? Emma will be sad. I'm back! Where is my dollhouse? I don't know. It was right here. It's broken. Who did this? Maybe the cat did it. Really?
What happened here?
My toy is broken. Let's stay calm. I don't know.
I feel very sad. I know, sweetheart.
I feel bad. I should tell the truth. Mom, I'm sorry. I broke the dollhouse. Why didn't you tell me? I was scared.
Everyone makes mistakes. Honesty is important.
I'm really sorry, Emma.
I know you are. I learned something today. Never hide my mistakes.
Exactly.
A happy family always tells the truth.
We love each other.